Today I want to walk you through how to customize your cardstock blister holders. I have used Minnie Mouse theme for this. Please do not try to sell Disney themed products. This is just for personal use, for gifts and party favors and things like that. So first I have customized my label with the bath bomb, ingredients, and scent name. So I did all of this in Pages on a Mac, and I printed it out on label paper. I have used Avery Brand's True Block shipping labels for inkjet or laser printers. Then I just trimmed them on a table cutter so that I am able to place them on the cardstock that I showed you before. I inputted the cardstock into my Cricut and used the square template, Cricut cutting template. And now I am marking my spot for where I want to place my label. I want to just leave enough space so that my ingredients do not get cut off. You'll be able to tell exactly where to place it because I've already cut the template out, and we're going to insert this same sheet back into the Cricut so it will cut again over the same cut through the label paper. We remove the excess paper, and now you're ready to fold your bath bomb holder. I've used a glue pin to hold the bottom base that supports the plastic blister holder. Now we're ready to insert our plastic blister packaging with the bath bomb already inserted. I placed the beveled edge toward the front, and now we're ready to glue the back bottom half of your cardstock holder. Now it's time to grab a bow to customize your packaging. I've gone to Etsy.com and found a bow that I like. I have brought it into my Cricut design software as a PNG file, so simply navigate to this file in your folders after you've purchased it. We're going to choose simple for the image type. And make sure all of the background is transparent. Choose Save as Print Then Cut. Now we're going to take that image that we just uploaded and insert it into our project. It comes in very large, so you'll need to resize it. I chose the width to be 3.5 inches. At this point, I'm going to copy and paste so that I can at least do 3 to a page. Once you have everything set up on your page, you can now save it and name your project. Now we are ready to make it. As you can see, your 3 bows are on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Now click Continue and Send to Printer. You will see your list of printers that are connected to your computer. Simply select your choice of printer and hit Print. After it is printed, also check to make sure your tools are loaded into your Cricut machine. Place your printout on your cutting mat. Load into your Cricut machine as normal. Hit Go, and the Cricut will search for the edges of your design. then move forward with cutting. As you can see, the Cricut has cut out the bow perfectly. Apply glue to the base of the bow and glue to your bath bomb holder. I have added my logo and ingredients to the back. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope that it helps inspire you to create your own custom designs. The template for our bath bomb holders is available on our Etsy page. Thank you for watching.